the AI Innovation Summit, Gujarat 2025, organized by the Committee on AI in ICI and hosted by the Baroda branch of WRC, jointly with 10 dynamic branches across the region. This year's summit holds special significance for all of us. It is recognized as part of the official prelude to India's Global AI Year 2026, culminating in the India AI Impact Summit 2026 at Bharat Mandapam, Delhi, India's first global platform championing responsible, inclusive, and high-impact AI for the world, especially for the global south. Our gathering today is one of the events contributing to that national momentum of thought, leadership, and innovation. Our theme, Navigating the Future, beautifully mirrors the transformational moment we stand in today. As the brochure highlights, AI in 2025 is defined by agentic systems, multimodal intelligence, enterprise AI scaling, synthetic data innovation, and strong governance frameworks. These are no longer emerging concepts. They are shaping audit, taxation, financial reporting, advisory, and enterprise decision making in real time. The summit's aim is simple and powerful: to help chartered accountants move from experimentation to scalable and responsible AI adoption with practical insights. The key takeaways for the 2 days shall be: participants will understand the key AI trends in 2025 and learn how to use new tools like agentic, multimodal, and conversational AI in their work. They'll also get guidance on using AI responsibly, creating practical implementation plans, and building a strong network with professionals across the industry. This truly is a rare opportunity for the CA community to prepare itself for the India AI vision that the government is now advancing at the global level. I now request everyone to please rise for the national anthem followed by the ICI motto.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
यैष सुप्तेषु जागृति यैष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शितः सर्वे तनूना सर्वितश्च नान्यवीतश्च एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता
Thank you. At this juncture, I would want to mention that our chairman Dhruvik and the entire branch committee has spent a tireless and sleepless night yesterday on account of the flight disruptions going on across India. I'm sure everybody is aware about it. I personally am a witness to the unparalleled efforts yesterday evening where they were trying to reschedule flights for our expert faculties, irrespective of however expensive the tickets were, trying to arrange alternative faculties where they were unable to travel. Vishal by himself took a 5 a.m. flight today morning instead of the yesterday evening flight. And all this to give our delegates the best possible take home for which they have gathered today in this large number. So this calls for a large applause for Dhruvik and his entire team. Now to ensure that we have a smooth landing after a turbulent takeoff, let's give an auspicious and kickstart to this summit by lighting the lamp. In the spirit of our theme, the managing committee wanted every part of the summit to reflect true innovation. So this year, we have added a special touch. Our mementos will be presented with the help of an AI-powered robo, Ruby, symbolizing how technology is now becoming a real partner in our professional journey. And Ruby today is going to bring us the candles for the lighting of the lamp. Can I invite all the dignitaries on the dais for the lighting of the lamp? Dhruvik, please escort them. I request all the branch chairmen to please come on the stage for lighting of the lamp. The host branch, Rikil. You're busy. Thank you everyone. I now call upon CA Dhruvik Parekh, Chairman Baroda branch of ICAI, to deliver his welcome address.
A very warm welcome and very good morning to everyone at this AI Innovation Summit 2025 Gujarat at Vadodara, the cultural capital of Gujarat. Before we begin, I would like to thank Chairman and Vice Chairman of the Committee on AI in ICAI, Umesh Sharma sir and Dayanivas Sharma sir, for trusting us enough to allot this summit to Vadodara. And I also take this privilege to thank each of the joint host chairmen. Anand branch represented by Chairman Ronak Bhai, Bharuch Vrindaben, Bhavnagar Dharmen Bhai, Bhuj Bhargav Bhai, Gandhidham Mahesh Bhai, Jamnagar Hardip Si Bhai, Navsari Abhishek Bhai, Rajkot Raj Bhai and Vapi Sumit Bhai. Thank you all for agreeing to host this event jointly, and it is because of your joint events or efforts we have registrations from all across the nation, and I am happy to share that almost 1/4 of the participations are from outside Vadodara. Thank you so much for helping us in showcasing the unity we have. For this summit, I would like to say we are living through a time that feels a bit like science fiction. We stand here today discussing the navigating the future. But if we are being honest, the future isn't knocking on the door, it's already sitting in our conference rooms. For us chartered accountants, this is a massive moment. I still remember seniors talking that will computers replace us? Now looking at the tools we have, the question has changed. It is not about AI replacing the CAs. It is about CAs who use AI replacing the one who doesn't. Today is about empowering us, we the financial professionals. We talk a lot about word tech like anonymous system or predictive analysis. But what does this actually mean for our practice? This actually means that the labor work is going away and we have tools that can read contracts, spot audit risks, and handle the heavy lifting of compliances. This gives us the freedom to do what we are actually best at, thinking, advising, and guiding our clients. We are the custodians of the trust in the economy, and AI is just a powerful new pen in our pocket. I want to zoom out for a second. We aren't doing this event in isolation. Our country is taking up a massive leap on the global stage, and the government of India has launched the AI Impact Summit 2026, which is going to be a historic gathering at New Delhi in coming February. For the first time, the global conversations on AI won't be about the safety or fear. India is changing the script to focus on impact on people, planet, and progress. It is a proud moment for us. The world is looking to the South Global, and India is leading that charge. And we are proud to say that this event has been recognized as a part of pre-event for India's AI Impact Summit 2026. I urge each member here, don't sit on the sidelines whether you are in the field of audit or tax or corporate finance. Get your hands on these new tools. Let's make this a leading curve, not just following it. Before we begin, I have some heartfelt thanks to give because an event like this does not happen by magic. First of all, thanks to my entire managing committee, Prashant Bhai, Jigar, Kunal, Vishal, Samir, Jai, Ashish, Brijesh. They have actually put in the hard work behind the scenes. Without their efforts, this would not have been possible. And also the entire brand staff for their dedication and hard work. Finally, the backbone of this entire event, our program directors, our very own Central Council member Vishal Doshi sir, and our very own Regional Council member Rikin Patel sir. You two have been guiding and mentoring at each step required and supporting for various decisions taken at this event. Without your wholehearted support, this would never have been possible. I would not take much of the time. I thank you all for being here. Let us all have a great summit, and I wish you all a very happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai ICI.
Thank you, Dhruvik. With this, we end our inaugural session and immediately begin with technical session 1. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our valuable sponsors for this AI Summit, our platinum sponsor, Courtyard Group, Building Better Dreams, our gold sponsors, Zoho, Amin Infotech, Tele Certified Partner, Param Wheels, Mahindra, Suvit, and FairValuation.com, and our silver sponsors, Pigment Global Solutions Private Limited and We Care Freedom Wealth Private Limited. I request everyone to please remain seated as we are beginning with the session immediately. There is no day's changeover as such. So thank you everyone for the involved presence in the inaugural session. Thank you.
Request everyone to remain settled in the conference hall. We're about to begin with the first technical session. In the spirit of our theme, Navigating the Future, the Managing Committee wanted every part of this summit to reflect true innovation. So this year, we've added a special touch. Our mementos will be presented with the help of an AI-powered robot, symbolizing how technology is becoming a real partner in our professional journey. We recognize the support extended by our platinum sponsors, Courtyard Group, Building Better Dreams. We are grateful to our following gold sponsors: Zoho, Amin Infotech Tally Certified Partner, Param Wheels Mahindra, and Sovit, and FairValuation.com. We're also thankful to our silver sponsors, Figment Global Solutions Private Limited and We Care Freedom Wealth Private Limited. I, Stuti Dolakia, welcome you all again to the first technical session on Intelligent Decision Systems for Strategic Finance Management. May I now request CA Ronak Goyal, Chairman of Anand Branch WIRC, to escort our expert speaker for the session, CA Shubham Patel, to the stage. I request CA Ronak Goyal to welcome our faculty with the tricolor stole and present the Holy Rudraksh plant and the memento. Thank you. May I now request CA Shubham Patel to take charge of the session.
So very good morning everyone. So before I speak a single word, though MOC ma'am has already introduced me, but as Modi ji from हमारा खुद का लैंड गुजरात, he said आत्मनिर्भर बनो. So as a part of this आत्मनिर्भरता, let first watch this video, then we will talk about it afterward.
મારા સીએ મિત્રો, સ્વાગત છે તમારું AI સમિટમાં. मैं हूं वर्चुअल शुभम फ्रॉम द ऑफिस ऑफ सीए शुभम पटेल और आज मैं लेके आया हूं उन्हें जो आपको AI के और करीब लेके जाएंगे. इनका एक ही लक्ष्य है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को हर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के लिए सुपर पावर बनाना, टैक्सेशन, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, वर्चुअल सीएफओ, फाइनेंशियल रिसर्च और एनालिसिस, वर्क ऑटोमेशन। एआई से सब कुछ होगा तेज और आसान। मिलिए उनसे जो है एआई और फाइनेंस के फ्यूजन मास्टर। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए सीए शुभम पटेल का। थैंक यू।
So thank you so much. Actually, it was my avatar. As of now, if you can imagine, six months or 1 year back, there were already these recorded avatars were there. You are just required to paste some scripts. They will speak. They will have a lip sync. But as of now, in fact, your gestures can be synced with their script as well, right? So this was just as a part of this thing only. I'm not here to take the job of MOC, right? So it's an absolute pleasure to be here at the city of Royals, Vadodara. In fact, a big thanks to all those branches who united, and a big thanks to Vadodara, Anand, Bharuch, Bhavnagar, Bhuj, Gandhidham, Jamnagar, Navsari, Rajkot, Vapi, and all those branches. First of all, have a big round of applause for all those branches for इतना बड़ा, मतलब ये यूनाइट होना ही सबसे बड़ी वही है, राइट? और सबसे बड़ा थैंक्स टू वडोदरा ब्रांच एज वेल टू इसका लीड लेना, राइट? सो द टॉपिक ऑफ टुडेज डिस्कशन वुड रोम अराउंड इंटेलिजेंट डिसीजन सिस्टम्स फॉर स्ट्रेटेजिक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, राइट? सो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस AI Innovation Summit 2025, you are not here just to hear us, right? First of all, my first question to you is, how many of you have already did their AICA level 1? Around 25-30 people, 25-30% people have already done their AICA level 1, right? Okay. So just I'm taking a liberty to talk in your regional language so that we can connect with each other much more better way, right? So AICA लेवल 1 से पहले भी या लेवल 2 भी, लेवल 2 ठीक है अभी आ जाएगा आपका भी, राइट? सो आप मेजरली AI का किस चीज में यूज करते थे? मेजरली किस चीज के लिए यूज करते थे? यार इतना बढ़िया नाश्ता था, इतना बढ़िया CCD था आपके पास, चाय कॉफी दूध। AI का पहले भी तो यूज करते ही थे हम लोग, राइट? मेजरली ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए, राइट? ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए यूज करते थे। और एज ऑफ नाउ जो भी आपका GST का रिप्लाई करना है या जो भी करना है, राइट, तो उसको कुछ देते थे आप ड्राफ्टिंग करवाने से पहले, कुछ उसको क्या बोलते थे, उसको प्रॉम्प्ट बोलते थे आप, राइट? तो अभी आपकी स्क्रीन पर कौन आ रहा है? जेठालाल। मैं पूछ रहा था क्यों यूज करते हैं, तब कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा। जेठालाल का पहले ही जल्दी नाम दे रहे हो आप लोग। अच्छा, तो इसका चैट जीपीटी कौन हुआ करता होगा? बबीता नहीं है, बबीता तो प्रॉम्प्ट होंगी उसकी, राइट? तो पहले हम इससे एक बार सुनते हैं ये अपने चैट जीपीटी के साथ में कैसे बात करता था, फिर एक बार हम लोग बात करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, राइट? एज ऑफ नाउ व्हेन वी आर इन द AIS समिट, क्या लेना देना जेठालाल से? लेट्स फर्स्ट हियर हिम आउट, फिर हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट?
जरा अंग्रेजी में है, ऐसा इंग्लिश में कड़ा कैसे भाषा में जरा लेटर लिख के दो, जरा भेजो, पता चले उसको। ये देखो, ये कंपनी का नाम है, उसका एड्रेस है, और पीछे सारी ये सब विगत है, और कितना पैसा, क्या कौन सी तारीख को क्या, वो सब
राइट? ये कंपनी का नाम है, विगत है, एड्रेस है, उसको लिखूं तो पता चले कि कैसा लेटर लिखना था, राइट? सो इन द फर्स्ट गो ओनली you are supposed to write your prompt in that detail way, right? Why? As of now, let's say कि आपने ये बोल दिया, जैसे आपने कहा कि एग्रीमेंट के लिए यूज करते थे, या कोई शो कॉज नोटिस आ गया आपका GST का, उसके अगेंस्ट में आप जो भी चैट जीपीटी, क्लाउड या ये सब का यूज करते थे, अभी फ्री है ये सारी चीजें। वंस यू कंप्लीट योर AICA लेवल 2B, तब यू विल गेट टू नो कि प्रॉम्प्ट का कितना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे ही आप कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट्स डाल देते हो, लेट्स से कि आपको वही एग्रीमेंट वाले लेते हैं, राइट? तो पहले आपने पूछा उसको ड्राफ्ट रेंट एग्रीमेंट, उसने आपको पूरा का पूरा 2000 वर्ड्स का आंसर ड्राफ्ट करके दे दिया। अगेन आपने बोला इसमें तो पेट पॉलिसी है ही नहीं, प्लीज ऑल्सो ऐड द पेट पॉलिसी इन द एग्रीमेंट, फिर से उसने पूरा आपको दे दिया। फिर आपने और कुछ चीजें की, ये तो छोटी चीज हो गई, लेकिन लेट्स से कि आपका कोई बड़ा कोई टूल बनाना है या कुछ दूसरा करना है, दूसरे भी कई वेबसाइट्स आपने लेवल 1 में कुछ जैसे लवेबल या वैसी सारी कुछ चीज़ों में जहाँ पे कोई टूल वगैरह बनवाया था, राइट, क्लाउड वगैरह आपने जैसे यूज़ किया होगा, तो उसमें तो कुछ ही प्रॉम्प्ट्स के बाद आपको भगा देता है, बोलता है कि अभी 5 बजे के बाद आना, राइट, 6 बजे के बाद आना। तो इन दैट पर्सपेक्टिव यू आर सपोज टू राइट अ डिटेल प्रॉम्प्ट जस्ट एज अ जेठालाल। जेठालाल भी तो अपने चैट जीपीटी को एक ही बार में पूरा ही बता रहा है, आप भी तो आपके आर्टिकल पूरा ही डिटेल में ही बोलते हो ना, पर्टिकुलर भाई मुकेश अंबानी का जब भी आईटीआर फाइल करेगा तो पासबुक की जेरोक्स वगैरह सब ले लेना, राइट, जो भी चीजें आप करते हो पूरी मतलब डिटेल में बोलते हो, उस पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर का कहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है, आप उसको सिर्फ बोलते थोड़ी ना कि जहाँ आईटीआर फाइल करके आ जा, राइट। इट इज योर असिस्टेंट, बट नेवर लेट एआई टू सरपास यू, नेवर अज्यूम कि एआई आपका पार्टनर है, राइट। एआई को आपको हमेशा से ही एज अ असिस्टेंट ही मान करके चलना है। वंस यू बिहेव लाइक कि वो आपका पार्टनर है, कोई भी कंसल्टेंसी में आप अगर सेकंड ओपिनियन के लिए अगर आप एआई के पास जा रहे हो, पहले तो हम हमारा जजमेंट देख लेते हैं, राइट, राइट। सो द एजेंडा ऑफ आवर टुडेज डिस्कशन वुड बी smart reports, automation, agentic AI, MIS and visualization. We will also discuss about the regulatory frameworks as well. Regulatory frameworks in the sense, whenever there is some data breach between us and our client, there is a penalty up to 250 crores as per DPDP Act, right? So it is very much important in that sense that we should have some data privacy concerns in our office as well. Whenever we are trying to upload anything in the to any AI tool or anything else, we should have that policy to redact that particular item, redact all those sensitive items which is there in that document, right? It is very much important. Also, if there is any possibility, use offline modes of that particular tools as well, right? So as of now, when we are discussing about AI assistants, AI tools or all those things, but as of now, AI agents are already into picture, and it is very much important to know about that thing as well, right? So the major difference between the AI assistant and AI agent is that AI agent acts on its own. It have an autonomous action, right? It has an autonomous action and it learns and adapts on its own, right? So it learns and adapts on its own and it ensures that task is also completed on your behalf, right? So can you just imagine or just guess that what type of AI agent, or you can just relate what AI agent that India used has a pride of. It was very much pride moment for us, right? If you can just guess this Operation Sindoor, सुना है, भूल गए? Yes. So when that particular this S400 के आगे Akash Tir was enabled to that S400. Akash Tir was our own indigenous system. It was an AI agent. Whenever our army men parked their vehicle in that particular border area, he was just supposed to click that red button just like a Dhamal movie, right? He was there to just click that button, and Akash Tir used to hit that particular sensor based drones or whatever missiles which were coming from that enemy's nation, right? So same as in that Akash Tir was also enabled with the DRDO and ISRO, where it attacked with precision to various air bases as well. You must have heard about this Muridke and Noor Air Base of Pakistan, right? So it was enabled with AI agent. So everybody has a pride of that thing. But what about us? What are the making AI agent is very tough task, right? Like anything which can be done by them on its own, right? Let's say we don't have to write a prompt. Everything has to be done by that particular tool only. So what if, are there any tools which are helpful for us chartered accountants, right? So we can start with very basic tools. Everybody can use it on your phone as well. All those tools, I will be delivering most of the tools which can be which you can also do the hands-on on your mobile phones as well. So one of the AI tool which has an agentic behavior, we will be since it is a gathered event, so we will be doing a hands-on with very basic tools such as Notebook LM. How many of you have heard about Notebook LM? Right? So you must have imagined that, I'm expecting after the end of this session, most of us, 90% of the people must be using Notebook LM for their day-to-day instances as well. Why? Because see, हम लोग गुजराती में ओवर स्मार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? डोडाया, right? See, all these tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, anything else, all these are the Dodaya. Because they have पूरा ब्रह्मांड का ज्ञान है उनके पास, ठीक है? But what if we can limit their knowledge base to that extent only which we are providing to it, right? So the one of the tool is Notebook LM. We will be also covering few more tools as well, like Google AI Studio, right? Where you can create your own tools in very easy, simple languages, be it any type of use cases. We will covering as far as possible. Then other one is Bricks. It may have covered in your if anybody has done their level 2 or level 1. In most of the cases, Bricks was also covered, right? Why Bricks is important? How many of you are doing a consultancy to your startup? Are there any startup or MSME clients of you? Right? How many of you are giving consultancy to startups and MSMEs? So all those who are not raising their hands are giving consultancy to listed, right? So why Bricks is important? Because whenever we are giving such report, be it internal audit or tax audit report or anything else, if we are giving that type of reports to our clients, which only we understand. See, sales ratio, purchase ratio, all those type of things only we understand. Client को नहीं समझता ये सब. Right? They need some visualizations, they need some graphs. But why we are not giving it to them? Because it is very complex. If you are using Power BI and all such type of tools which gives you MIS dashboards and visualizations, it is very complex, right, to understand. So Bricks is one of that tool which converts any type of Excel sheet or any type of normal reports or unstructured report into the MIS dashboarding as well as various type of visualization which are interactive. We will also be covering that within 2 minutes, right? We will also be doing that on a hands-on basis. And at the end, we will be doing Comet Assistant. It is an AI agent which will automate few of your tasks, and we will also, if time permits, we will also do some basic agentic behavior of Gemini as well. Let's say we are chartered accountants. Whenever you are going to bank, you don't speak with RMs, right? Let's say you have been to Bank of Baroda, and you are not, we are chartered accountants, so we don't speak to any type of assistants. We directly enter to the branch manager or agents, right? So simply that way as well, from now onwards, we will directly speak with branch manager, that is Gemini. We will ask Gemini to fetch all those emails which I have received today. There is a connector in Gemini. We will ask Gemini to create an event for me. We will just upload our train ticket or flight tickets or boarding pass to the Gemini. It will create an event for you or task for you. Right? So we will directly speak to manager. We will not be speaking with, or we will not be assigning any task to, or directly talking with the normal RMs. Right? So let's do few of the use cases together. So my only request to everyone is just open your normal browser and search for Notebook LM. Just write Notebook and then LM. See what it does. Let's say in this case only, see in Notebook LM, our major purpose is to limit their Dodiabanti, right? We don't want it to behave like an over smart person, right? So that it uses RAG model. It is a retrieval augmented generative model where it fetches information from only that documents or any type of links, or be it YouTube video or anything else, only from that particular knowledge base only. It will not go beyond any type of knowledge base unless you will ask it to do so, right? So this is the dashboard of Notebook LM. In your phone as well, you can only UI will be different, but everything will be same only. You can just click on the create new. In the phone as well, there is a option. There will be a button of create new. Here there are multiple option to upload or select your knowledge base with PDF, text, markdown, audio, docs, right, PNG, workspace. You can in fact connect your Google Drive workspace as well. Then in fact, let's say there is a budget speech going on. Nirmala madam is speaking on these budget proposals. At the same time, you can just share that link with the Notebook LM, and it will create all those type of stuffs which we'll be discussing in next few 2-3 minutes, right? So definitely it will create it will create some magical reports, magical understanding, magical slides and all those things, right? So once you upload your document, once you upload your desired knowledge base, it will then create a board. First it will create a board. Let's say in this case I have just uploaded income tax module, income tax publication by ICAI has published income tax publication on Income Tax Act 2025, right? I have just uploaded this thing, and in fact there is a difference between uploading a document to ChatGPT versus Notebook LM, right? In ChatGPT, if you are uploading any document above 10 or 20 MBs, right, it will not allow you to upload that, right? Anybody has checked it or not? Right? There is a limitation of uploading of file size at any of the AI tools. But whereas in case of Notebook LM, you can upload any you can upload up to 300 documents, 300 knowledge bases. So there is no any limitation on file size. See, in this case, the number of pages on this file size of this particular document will be more than 500 MBs, right? The number of pages or anything else will be more than 1500 or 2000 pages. I have just uploaded this thing to the Notebook LM. Then I will just click on the audio overview. See, I don't have time to learn about this thing or read all those documents and consult or give a consultancy to my client. I will just upload that particular thing, and I will select my own language or any type of language. There is no barrier on language. There is all type of languages are here. Be it Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, Konkani, Gujarati, African, Honolulu, everything is there. Whatever language you like, right? Japanese. Then you can select the type of podcast you want. Be it brief, critic or debate like Arnab Goswami. You can select that type of chat, right? So as of now, I just to save time, I have already clicked on the audio overview. Just first here how it has created the audio overview, audio podcast of the same.
કાયદાને આટલો તાર્ક ધ ડિબેટમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે નવા આવકવેરા અધિનિયમ 2025 પર ચર્ચા કરીશું અને આ વિષય પર આટલું વિગતવાર વિશ્લેષણ તૈયાર કરવા બદલ અમે સીએ શુભમ પટેલનો ખાસ આભાર માનીએ છીએ.
બિલકુલ. આ નવો કાયદો જે છે એને ભારતીય કરવેરા પ્રણાલીમાં એક બહુ મોટા સુધારા તરીકે રજૂ કરવામાં આવ્યો છે. પણ સવાલ એ છે કે શું આ ખરેખર એક સુધારો છે?
અને એ જ આજની આપણી ચર્ચાનો મુખ્ય પ્રશ્ન છે. શું નવો આવકવેરા અધિનિયમ કર પ્રણાલીને ખરેખર સરળ બનાવે છે કે પછી એ જૂની જટિલતાઓને
You can relate it just like a human, right? They are speaking just like a human. Some two person are talking with each other, be it Arnab Goswami or just like Arnab Goswami or Anjana Om Kashyap are talking with each other, having some debate or something on that particular topic, right? You can, in fact, you can customize the audio, or if you have heard it properly, it was saying that we are thankful to Shubham Patel for analyzing this particular report, because why that particular person spoke my name. I just mentioned over here that please take my name whenever you are starting that particular podcast, right? So in fact, not only audio overview, you can in fact download this particular audio overview. You can upload it on YouTube or any other channels, or share it with your clients or in fact only for your purpose as well. If you want to learn, if you want to understand that understand what is the knowledge base of that particular source, so you can get the proper understanding of the same as well. Like, in fact, in addition to audio, so how many of you are preparing presentations from Gamma? You must have heard about Gamma, right? Many people are raising their hand, right? But Gamma prepares presentation. It prepares presentation only, right? But what if I tell you that Gamma, in addition to presentation, Notebook LM can create a presentation along with a voiceover. So let's check it out as well. So if you click on the video overview, there is a option to click on that customize button as well. So in fact, in same way as well, you can create the video overview in your language.
તો નાણાકીય દુનિયામાં એક મોટા ફેરફારની તૈયારી થઈ રહી છે. એક નવું નિયમ પુસ્તક આવી રહ્યું છે જેનું નામ છે આવકવેરા અધિનિયમ 2020. કરવું શું નહીં એની તૈયારી અત્યારથી જ કરવી પડે, બરાબર ને? પણ આ બધા નવા નિયમોને સમજવા માટે એક શબ્દને સમજવો બહુ જ જરૂરી છે, કેપિટલ ગેઇન્સ. કારણ કે મોટા ભાગના ફેરફારો આની આસપાસ જ ફરે છે.
Right?
તો ચાલો
You
પહેલા
can
એનો પાયો
share
પાકો
this
કરી
particular
લઈએ.
video with your client as well, or in fact for your internal training purpose as well. It has created by its own only. In fact, not only video overview, you can in fact download this particular video overview, or if you don't like this particular video overview, which is where the audio has been created by its own. Let's say ICI invites you to present on New Income Tax Act 2025. Option number 1 for you will be Gamma. But most of us don't like the UI of Gamma, right? So there is an option to create a slide as well in here, where let me just show you what type of presentation it has created, how beautiful the presentation it has been created by Notebook LM. See the UI, UX, see the design of particular notebook, design of the particular knowledge base which we have given to it, right? So it has created the presentation for me as well. See, I have just mentioned the headline of that income tax bill, a new architectural blueprint. It has created the entire architectural blueprint. If I click on the next button, it has created the slides for me. You can just you can just check the user interface of it. It is as good as a normal corporate or professional type of presentation which has been created by a professional graphic designer, right? See, all those things are mentioned over here. Chapters 1 to 3. Nothing has been created by. I have just clicked on the slide deck only. Just click on that particular slide deck, and it will create presentation on your behalf. If you are customizing it, then it will be as per your. See, foundation of the income tax, salaries and house property. In case of salary, in case of house property, what are the key changes? Everything has been created by it only, right? New framework on capital gains. See, all these slides has been created by that particular Notebook LM only. Why it is important? Since many of you must be knowing about Notebook LM, but there are many new features has been added by it. But why it is much more important for every chartered accountant is because it never hallucinate. It is the most big. It is the most best. It is the best feature of Notebook LM is that it never hallucinates, right? So it the collection recovery mechanism, everything has been prepared by that particular notebook only. So these are the few slides. See, it has created a very detailed slide of the same. So there are infographic as well. Let's say many of you are sharing the infographic on your WhatsApp status. But what happens? Most of the chartered accountants are using the infographic as it is only. They are just changing the firm name, be it Guru Nanak Jayanti or anything. Let's say Makar Sankranti पे आएगा, but firm name ही change होता है, ऊपर का पूरा same ही रहता है, right? So if you see, we know generative AI is over smart. So in that way, it will create infographic. Whenever a user clicks on infographic, it will create different type of infographic for every particular user. Let's see if I click on infographic. So it has provided me, yes, it has created an infographic where infographic is just like I want a single page. See, you can even download that particular infographic. See, understanding the computation of total income. These are the 5 heads of income: gross total income, set off and carry forward, apply. Everything has been created by it, right? So you must have used napkin, right? Anybody has heard about napkin? It creates a visualization, right? So in notebook only, you can get the gamma, napkin, and all those type of dashboard can be created in single tool only. In fact, you are not required to subscribe for various tools. If you can just use the Google Workspace only, your most of our 90% of the works which we chartered accountants are doing can be done by only single workspace of Google, right? So there are many tools available over here. In fact, just coming from the hotel to this event venue, I just uploaded in. I have not just uploaded. I just clicked on the in this web search tool where I have just mentioned this AI in ICI.org. It fetched it fetched this. It created the PDF and it fetched all those type of information which is available in that particular thing. Achha, one more feature of Notebook LM is interactive mode. You can even talk with that, but you can even enter to the podcast which has been created by these two guys, right? You are just required to this click on this interactive mode, right? If I click on interactive mode, this thing will load. If I click on play button, the podcast will be started in normal default English language, but I can enter to that particular.
So today
We are strapping in for something pretty dense. We've got excerpts from the new Income Tax Act of 2025 and some related bill clauses.
Yeah, this isn't light reading, but our job is to cut through the noise.
If I click on the join button, I can even enter to that particular podcast as well.
Concept. We're looking for the unexpected. Oh, hey there, what's up?
I am just required to allow this micro. So, what are the key changes in new Income Tax Act as compared to previous one?
That is a fantastic question, and it really is the heart of why this new act even exists.
Exactly. It's not just a reorganization. There are foundational changes.
Okay, let's unpack this. The biggest shift we see, and you will see it everywhere in the documents, is the move from previous year and assessment year to one single unified concept.
Yes, the tax year. Under the 1960.
It has started making conversation with you. It is say I asked to that particular podcaster that what are the key changes he did. It started speaking with me in that way. It answered me with the first instance that there is the first key changes was that financial year and assessment year has now been converted to the normal fiscal year only, right? So in fact you can interact with that particular podcaster as well. There is another option to search on the web and it can fetch all those information which are available on the internet. In fact, let's say if I have to showcase any, let's say if I have to showcase any of the blueprint or what AI Summit has done or what AI committee has done as of now, I just uploaded the particular, I just mentioned the AI and ICI website to that particular web search option, and once I click on that infographic button, it has created an infographic for me. See, Pillar 1, building competence through education, AICA level 1 from fear to fluency, AICA level 2 from user to architect. In fact, if I mentioned that also in that customization button, that also mentioned the event being hosted by the Vadodara branch of ICL in AIS 2025, it might have mentioned that this particular AI summit as well in their infographic, right? So in that way, definitely Notebook LM is very important tool. Right. In fact, let me show you an instance where I see these particular tools are very simple to use, and for this particular AI summit, it might be possible that few of you may think that it is very simple at the for AIs, but if we talk about if we talk in generic terms, it is the most important tool where 90% of our tasks can be completed by this particular tool only, where you can upload various type of
judgments as well. You can create an agentic behavior of it where it can download various judgment from the Supreme Courts or ITAT or High Court's website, and it where you can just ask it to prepare the submission of it, and it will create a submission. And the best part of it is it will not create hallucination, right? So accuracy level in case of Notebook LM is much more higher. And let me show you an instance where I use this particular tool, which was savior for me. See, one of my client was asking me to prepare the opinion letter of the same, which we had created some podcast on it. Actually, I personally practice in NRI taxation. We had a podcast which is there, but many of the NRIs were asking that you please share us the opinion letter. This podcast doesn't make sense because whatever you are sharing is sharing in a written content is only considered as actual opinion letter, or we will take it in a genuine way, right? So what we did, see, I had only 30 minutes in my hand, right, to create the opinion letter. And you all must be knowing that opinion letter cannot be printed on our firm's website. It has to be in our individual name only. So let me just show you this particular video, then we will talk about it.
So,
Are there any other countries also where NRI residents can claim zero taxation on mutual funds capital gain in India?
Countries such as Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait,
Is that
My only intention to
the CA firm?
See, the only knowledge base which is available with me is YouTube videos, right? So what I will do, I will just copy that particular YouTube video, a link of that particular YouTube video. Just click on the create new. There is another option to add knowledge base by way of YouTube link as well. See, you are just required to click on this YouTube link. Just mention that particular YouTube link, right? Just click on insert, and it will take around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 based on your internet connectivity. 6, right? Within 6 seconds, it has created the knowledge. It has created a chatbot for you. So, but what was my intention? Our intention was to create the opinion letter out of this particular thing. See, the only knowledge base for this particular thing is only a single YouTube video, right? So I will just click on this report part. See, we have checked out these 7 other features of the Notebook LM. The only feature which is the best one for all the chartered accountant is reports. So just click on the report. You can see over there that these are the default type of reports, but in the next level you can see the suggested format as well, which is customized as per your knowledge base. Just let's say I have to create the opinion letter. I will just click on any of the report, right? So once the report has been generated, I will just copy that content and paste it on my letterhead. Let me just show you the final output, how it was looking after pasting that particular thing. See, DTEETRC, this was the final output which Notebook LM has prepared for me. Right, I just pasted the content of it. If you had heard it properly at the start of that particular podcast, we were speaking about we were talking about few of the countries. I talked that countries such as UAE, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, it automatically fetched the DTAA article from that particular YouTube video only. In fact, it has also mentioned the case laws which were in the it transcripted the YouTube audio into the particular type of normal word based transcription. Then it created the knowledge base, and when I clicked on the report, it created the report, and in fact it fetched the citation as well. In podcast, we were not talking about citation. Never. Whenever in our normal natural language, why we'll be speaking about any citation, right? It has fetched the citation as well. So this was Notebook LM. So in fact, be it any type of knowledge base, it has a level of accuracy which any other normal TOTIA tool will never have, right? So in case if you are using ChatGPT, Claude, or anything, see, everybody has their own feature. Claude is very good for drafting. ChatGPT is very good if you want to do any type of general purpose work, or if you want to get the code, or like same way Claude is very good with mathematics or number crunching. Perplexity is very good for web search and research based thing, right? In fact, the Comet browser is very good thing. right? Now we will go to another part. We will, as of now, we will be speaking, skipping AI Studio, but we will now go to bricks. It is also very much important, right? So let me first show you the type of report. You must be relating it as well, relating it with as well. See, this is the normal report. This is normal Excel based report which has, you can see over here that it is very clumsy or unstructured type of report, right? Option number 1 for you will be creating various pivot tables, right? See, you in the particular Excel file, you can see over here that there is there are few segments where particular company is exporting that particular product. Here the products are plywood, mica, glasswork, right? There are few countries, be it Canada, India, USA, and a few other segments as well. In the particular Excel file, it is we have mentioned that in E column that units sold, manufacturing, sales price, gross sales, COGS, and profit as well, right? There are the numerous rows in this particular thing, right? If you share this particular file with a client, this file is understandable to us only, right? If we are expecting that client should also understand this particular file, or he doesn't have that type of acumen, or he doesn't have that type of time as well to analyze and read this particular file, option number 2 is available with us. Just upload. Why I am relating it with AI agentic behavior. Why? We are just required to click on that particular button only, right? In the same way as well, there is a tool named the bricks. The bricks. If you have used Gamma for presentation, it is the same like of that same type of presentation you can see over here, but there is addition to that thing. Just upload a normal Excel file to that particular import option. There is an option to customize your dashboard, then just click on generate dashboard. Everything will be done by that particular tool only. If you are concerning about privacy, better to remove all those sensitive information which is available in the Excel file, then upload, right? See, you can see over here that it has already started doing, it has started generating dashboard. The first step is already completed. This planning, blogs, creating blogs, generating insights. It will generate the insights out of that particular Excel file as well, that what type of insight we want, like what was my total profit from the plywood product, or any type of product wise profitability, or segment wise profitability, or revenue, or country wide revenue, right? This type of particular thing we want, right? You can just note this website named thebricks.com. The first one was Notebook LM, right? It will create a dashboard for you. If it is taking much time, right? See, it has already started preparing. See, average unit sold. See, it has created the. See, you get the 20 types of report with this particular tool. You can in fact interact with them. You can make a conversation with that particular dashboard as well, right? See, it has created everything. It is generating insights. The first it created the blogs, then it will create summary. By the time I am just speaking with you, it has started creating everything. I would have shown you the direct final product, but even if I am speaking with you, it has started doing its job, right? So see, your dashboard is complete. It took around 45 to 50 seconds to generate dashboard out of that particular Excel file which had numerous rows, right? You can in fact see, edit all those blocks, and everything is editable. First, see, if we check the backend, what it creates. See, first it will convert the entire Excel data into multiple pivot tables. See, it has created the multiple pivot tables. Pivot by country-wide profit, right? Everything has been created by its own. If we click on the dashboard, you can see the graphical representation of the data which was available with it. In fact, imagine yourself as the CFO or virtual, if you are providing the virtual CFO services to your client, or in addition to your tax audit report, if you are sharing this type of report with your client, definitely he will be agreeing to pay you some additional nominal fees based on your negotiation skills, right? So if I click, in fact, it has created the presentation as well. I am able to click on the next slide using my pointer as well. It has created the insights out of it, right? So based on that particular Excel file, it has mentioned all those insights from that particular Excel file. See, it has it has created the dashboard of the same. See, this discount band distribution, it is an interactive type of report. I am just here to hover that cursor over that particular pie chart or graphs, right? Profit contribution breakdown. You can edit those charts. See, it has created by its own as of now, but it is a customizable thing that you can customize based on your likings or based on your requirements. See, it has created there. In fact, it has created the line chart. Just hover that particular cursor over that particular month, and it will show you the entire results of it, right? See, it has compared the adhesive, glasswork, hardware, mica, veneer, and also generated the key insights of that particular thing as well, right? है काम का? नहीं है? तो ठीक है. So it has created all those. In effect, all those type of insights has been created by that particular AI tool, right? So this was bricks. First we discussed about notebook, then this is bricks. Now let me show you a magic, not pure magic. Let's say if I upload that same file to Perplexity and I want it to analyze the particular Excel file and send a message or send a draft summary or draft insights based on that particular Excel file to any person autonomously. So let's check it out. It will take around 30 seconds. See, I'm uploading the same Excel file which we gave to Bricks. Financial sample. I'm just uploading the same file as I already have the prompt which has to be written along with that particular Excel file. If you click on Control H, analyze the attached Excel file, then draft the insights out of it, and you can directly send a WhatsApp message to SP. Draft it in such a way along with emojis as if a CFO is sending a MIS visualization to his CEO. Let me just recorrect there is a possibility that my accent may be he may not understand, right? So analyze the attached Excel, then draft the insights out of it. Then you can directly send a WhatsApp message to SP. SP in the sense myself, in whatever name we have saved our own contact number. Draft it in such a way along with emojis as if a CFO is sending a MIS visualization to his CEO, right? Now we want it to do the agentic behavior. I just clicked on the fire button. me just open my WhatsApp. Actually, WhatsApp was not loaded in the background. If we had opened the WhatsApp in the background, by the time it is loading, let me just show you another one. No, I don't want, I don't have to register any mobile number with the Perplexity. You are just required to load that WhatsApp web in the Comet browser only. Comet browser is same as a Google Chrome browser. The privacy concerns are same in case of be it Chrome or Comet. In fact, in Comet, there are, if you play YouTube video in Comet browser, you will not get any type of ads. In fact, if you are opening any website from the Comet browser, you will not get any type of advertisement. See, let me show you. If I open any YouTube video, you will not get any ad. See, directly that particular YouTube video is opening.
Claim.
Right? So, this is the very good feature of Comet browser. It is same as Google Chrome. Perplexity has its own browser. So, I think this loading of the chat will take much time. We can skip this. See, you can just upload any type of the financial sample or anything else. It will create, let me show you if I have, let me just show you how it appears. What type of report it generates. See, you can see on your right side that this executive MIS report, profitability and performance analysis prepared by CFO, country-wise profitability, product-wise profitability, everything can be drafted by its own and it will send a WhatsApp message autonomously only. If you want to add the approval button, you can add the approval button in your, you can mention the approval, the step of approval in your prompt only. But if you want it to directly send the WhatsApp message, it can send a WhatsApp message on your behalf as well. Right? So, see, it will take much more time because I am opening the WhatsApp in Comet browser after very long. See, by the time as I was claiming that talk directly with the manager, see, this is Gemini browser. Everybody can get the Gemini out of it, right? Why I was saying that directly talk to the manager, you can just click @. Once you click @, all the employees of Google are there. See, all the colleagues of Google are in the Gemini itself. You can directly talk with any type of any employee of the Google, right? Let's say I want to fetch the emails, right? Show all the emails received from Ankit Garg and give me summary of those emails. Right? See, the Gemini is the product of Google. If you are concerning that, what about my privacy? See, entire once you give the once you log into your Gmail account, you are giving the consent to use your data with the entire Google workspace, right? See, I have asked the branch manager to provide me the emails received from that particular person and give me the insights out of it. So it will give you the insights that what type of email you are receiving from that particular person. Same way, if you are clicking @calendar, you can add the calendar invite. @calendar, just upload your train, bus or any flight ticket. It will create the event, it will create the calendar event for you. See, reviewing new mails, reviewing recent financial emails, it will check all those emails and generate the summary out of it. Right? So, one of the features, see, this was Gemini. You see, here is the summary of emails received from Ankit Garg. What type of email he is sending? His major concern is this thing, this ITR related stuff, business operation, investment and trading, legal and trademarks. So in this way, I can directly fetch all those type of information or see Gemini is in your WhatsApp. Gemini is in your normal application pad of your mobile. right? You can directly type any type of message, or you can just give it a voice command and fetch all those information which you want to, right? You can even ask it to ask that what are my show me all those appointments which are scheduled today or in this week, right? So it will fetch all those information from your calendar and show you the entire result out of it, right? In fact, you can mention any type of thing, Google Docs, Google Drive. It will connect with your Google Drive and fetch any type of information. Same way, what I told you was, we are talking with the branch manager, not with the employees of that particular branch. Not with the normal RMs of that particular branch, right? So this was Gemini. This is very simple tool. I covered normal, few basic, easy tools which can be opened in your mobile phones as well, right? If it opens, then only we will be doing comment. Otherwise, we can skip it, right? So now most of us get exhausted if all those AI tools, after using all those AI tools continuously for a longer time. Why? We are giving him a textual prompt and we are getting the textual reply as well, right? After few 4, 5, 6, 7 instances, we get exhausted and we stop using that particular AI tool. I think everybody will agree with me, right? But what if? Let me show you another video. Just guess which movie. Just guess the movie. कौन सा movie है? So who is sitting in front of him? Now just relate this particular dialogue while you are using the particular.
In accordance with the discretionary powers of the Chief Minister, the fundamental rights are enshrined in the Constitution.
ज्यादा अंग्रेजी मत झाड़, सिर्फ इतना बता के मुमकिन है या नहीं?
मुमकिन है सर, ऐसा हो सकता है.
Right? अगर ऐसा हो सकता है, तो क्यों ये सब हमें textual to textual करना? So the one of the AI tool where you can make a conversation just like a phone call. Just upload that particular knowledge. Like just let's say you are uploading the knowledge base, like be it Income Tax Act 2025, and share that particular link with your client. He will receive a phone call just like अपना कोरोना के समय मोदी जी का फोन आता ना, मास्क पहन के रखिए. But you are not able to speak with Modi ji. In this scenario, your client will be able to speak with you, not with you, but your voice clone. If you want. If you are concerned about your privacy, there are multiple voices available in that particular tool. Named, anybody can guess? Can you guess it by its logo? 11 Labs. 11 Labs has added the agentic behavior in its application. You can interact it just like that thing. We had interacted with Notebook LM. But in that case, it is available only in British English language, right? In this case, you can in fact interact with any language, right? So these are the few of the AI tools which every chartered accountant firm should know, right? For your day-to-day practice. This Grok, Gemini, Bricks, Descript. In case of Descript, in Gamma, you can create presentation. But if you want the voiceover, you can use Notebook LM. But in addition to voiceover, if you want someone to create the, if you want someone to explain the content of that thing by way of replicating you or your avatar or any pre-made avatar, you can use the descript.com, where the avatar will be explaining you that particular thing. This bold, lovable, you can create your own websites, tools, and let's say GST rate finder tool or anything else. The Claude is very good for drafting. Drafting and that type of thing. n8n is very good for making automations, workflow automation. Let's say if you, everything will be done at your, if you want to learn more, enroll for AICA level 2. Right. So No, I don't think so. Anybody are having this type of that what my genie is doing. So you can create videos with the help of VO 3.1. Let me just show you few videos. Actually, in my in our offices, see many of the articles or many students were getting Gemini. Gemini for they got Gemini 3 subscription by using their IPCC or CA final payment receipts. Google was giving them this Gemini subscription for 12 months. So in our office, in our office, we started doing this activity where every article has to present something every alternate Saturday. So one of my article created this video. I'm just showing it just to add some fun only.
Bring it on! I'm ready for all of you.
एक सच्चा सीए मौत से भी नहीं डरता, डरता है तो सिर्फ ड्यू डेट से।
He just uploaded my what actually at that time I had this WhatsApp DP and he just added some prompts and it created the entire video out of it, right? So again, same way, one of my clients shared this video with me at the time of during this ITR season, right? So they just first hear this particular thing, then we will discuss about it.
हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? मैं तो बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। मैं हूँ छोटा वर्जन ऑफ सीए शुभम पटेल। ITR की ड्यू डेट अभी 15 सितंबर हो चुकी है, तो प्लीज उसके डॉक्यूमेंट जल्द से जल्द भेजिए। लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने इस वीडियो के साथ अटैच कर दी है। थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय।
क्लाइंट ने भेजा था, भैया क्या आ रहा है आपके ऑफिस से ये सब? अब क्या हो गया? क्लाइंट स्टार्टेड गिविंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स विद इन 2 days, ठीक है? अनदर थिंग, दिस इज द वेरी ग्रेट इनोवेशन, और बोल सकते हैं आप टेक्सचुअल टू टेक्सचुअल का एक ऑल्टरनेटिव क्या हो सकता है? इफ व्हाट इफ, जैसे आपको 11 लाइव्स में हमने फोन कॉल का बताया, व्हाट इफ यू कैन take a consultancy or give a consultancy just like a video call. You can create various agents based on their expertise. You are just required to add the knowledge base.
I'm Richard from CA Shubham Patel's office. I'm curious about your current business situation and what specific challenges, whether tax related or strategic, you're looking to tackle today.
I would like to know more about your office and your name.
Right? Just as I have uploaded the knowledge base to Richard that he is a business strategist. Any type of query you can ask to him, he will be able to give you the response related to business strategy. If you have a, let's say if somebody is saying that consultancy has to be in regional language, so we have Sophia for you as well.
व्यवसाय चुनौतियों का विश्लेषण करने, रणनीतियाँ विकसित करने और आपको टैक्सेशन संबंधी सवालों में सहायता करने के लिए यहाँ हूँ। आप क्या खास मुद्दे पर काम करना चाहेंगे?
मुझे बजट 2025 की कुछ की हाइलाइट्स बताइए।
Right, but in addition to that thing as well, see today's hackathon. Actually, this I presented this on my hackathon final, right? So, what if the consultancy has? What if the real time? I'm not talking about the recorded, pre-scripted avatar videos. I am talking about the real-time consultancy point. Whenever you are asking something to that particular person, he will reply you back with the same gestures or same feelings or with the same lip sync as well. So this video was created, it was much more hodgepodge, but first hear it.
Hey Shubham, my name is also Shubham. What are the 5 best sectors to invest in India?
Hey there. So, the top sectors to consider investing in India right now are IT, renewable energy, healthcare, manufacturing has solid partnership.
Right? So, in fact, you can interact the same with that, but by making your own clone as well. Right? So, these are few of the AI tools having their own use cases. Right? So, one more thing. As a part of our professional ethics, after hearing this song, just guess the singer's name or at least tell me the tool which has been prepared out of. I will share that particular tool later.
सहारा ऑडिट के राही फाइनेंस के साथी का मान, देश की उन्नति का है अभिमान, ऑनेस्टी से लिखी है कहानी, हर सीए की यही पहचान।
कौन है सिंगर? कौन है सिंगर? कौन है? अरे शुभम पटेल का इतना गंदा आवाज है। हाँ? कौन है? There is a tool named Suno.com. Suno.com. It is 100% copyright free tool. Even Arijit Singh, be it Arijit Singh, Shreya Ghoshal, nobody can fight against you or sue you against replicating any copyright claim, right? So this was Bolt of Akshatir. So now concluding with this particular vote of thanks by myself only.
तो दोस्तों, आज हमने जाना कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैसे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की दुनिया बदल रहा है। टैक्स हो या ऑडिट हो, एआई से सब कुछ होगा स्मार्ट और शानदार। लेकिन यह तो बस शुरुआत है। अगर आपको और जानना है, सीखना है और आगे बढ़ना है तो जुड़िए लिंक्डइन पर सीए शुभम पटेल के साथ। एआई को अपनाइए, भविष्य को संवारिए। फिर मिलेंगे नए विचारों और नए एआई टूल्स के साथ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
So thanks a lot. Thank you for your patient listening. If you have any type of doubt, you can definitely connect with Vadodara branch. We will definitely cover all those doubts or Q&A. Right? If we are having Q&A round as of now, we are open for discussion. Otherwise, we are concluding our session. Thanks a lot.